The Vector Frame Lightbox brings illumination, function, and style to any exhibit, event, or retail environment, helping you easily attract attention. We recommend you lay out all the pieces of your lightbox's frame first on clean, dry floor space. After that, begin assembling the frame, locking each length of extrusion to one another using the 90-degree and straight locking mechanisms. Once all pieces are connected, tighten quarter turn to secure using the Allen tool. After the frame assembly is complete, connect the two middle support bars together and lock them to the inside channel of the frame as shown. Attach the two angled extrusion pieces to the inside of each vertical length of extrusion for additional support. For single-sided graphic displays, lights come pre-attached, though you will need to add final light strips as you finish assembly of your display. To do this, simply place the strip of LED lights on the inside of the extrusion and locking into place using the pre-attached thumb screws. Connect all light strips together, matching female and male ends. Attach the extrusion cord to the lights on top of the frame, feeding through the plastic extrusion channels and locking in the side of the frame. Finish by connecting the two power supply cords to the end of the light strips and feeding through the frame. Starting with the corners, push the silicone edge graphic into the channel on the frame. Smooth around the frame for a taut finish. Next, attach the stabilizing feet into place by sliding onto the frame and tightening by hand. Once feet are in place, stand the frame up and attach the opaque liner or second graphic to the backside. Finish by plugging the transformers from your display into the power source.